What's up, guys? We have the mechanical keyboard from Redragon, model K629. It's a 75% keyboard. It has 84 keys and a nice compact form factor. RGB backlit. It's hot swappable, so you can change these switches out. They are OTEMU switches. Weighs about 1.5 pounds. Now in the box, they give you some spare switches. They give you 2 different keycaps. They give you an escape key and a spacebar key, which are red in color if you want to add a little bit of spice to the keyboard there. It gives you a keycap puller, a switch puller, the instruction booklet, detachable cable, and some Redragon stickers if you want to slap those around somewhere. Now, it's an all black plastic design. On the back here, there's some nice texture on the back and some kick-up feet, but that's about it. On the other side here, there's nothing on the back side. The only ports you have is your USB-C port on the side, and there's also an indicator light, which is just for caps lock. And on the front here, you have Redragon logo, and on the other side, there's nothing. Like I said, very nice and lightweight, simple design. When you plug it in, the RGBs come on. You can easily turn it off. There's 3 different adjustment levels for brightness, and there's about 8 onboard pre-programmed backlighting effects, which you can access by holding function and tapping the page down key. Nice and lightweight. These are ABS double shot keycaps. The backlight shines through pretty nicely there. The legends on the keycaps, they're not a very gamery. It's pretty standard font on there. I'll have a link in the description on Amazon if you want to pick this up. It's running for about $45 now, but hopefully you can get it on a sale. If you have any other questions, hit me in the comments. We're gonna leave this video with a typing test, and I'll catch you in the next one though.